Hello food lovers, I'm showing you these golden crispy bites perfect for me or as a snack or appetizer. As a life of walking abroad, thinking what to cook on off day is actually challenging. We simply order 1 kilo of fresh minced chicken, having an idea of making chicken meatballs. Not much ingredients needed. Put all minced chicken inside grinder. Add turmeric, chicken powder and tempura flour. Grind a little bit to mix everything well. Next, scoop small portions and shape into little balls. Do not worry about perfection. Rustic looks even better. Heat some oil, fry until golden brown and crispy. Keep turning so they cook evenly. Look at the crunchy and crispy meatballs. Serve them hot with chili sauce, ketchup or sweet and sour dip. If you enjoyed this quick recipe, hit like, subscribe and share for more delicious bites.